Today I will be showing you how to use the app Freeform. First, you're going to want to long hold the app, click New Board, and then your screen should look like this. Next, you're going to want to go to Safari if you don't already have the picture of the background you want in your camera roll. Then you're going to look up the background you want. My background is going to be horse stables, so I'm going to look up horse stables. Then, once it loads, you're going to want to click Images and click the image you want to use. You're going to click it like this and then long hold it here, then push Save to Photos. Next, you're going to want to go back to Freeform, push this button right here, click Photos or Videos, click the picture you want to use for your background. Then you're going to zoom in to 167. Then you're going to want to expand it so it's covering almost the whole spot right there. Then you want to zoom out to 125. Make sure it covers almost the whole screen. Then you're going to want to zoom out so you can see the whole thing. Next, you're going to go to your camera roll and pick the picture you want to add to the photo. I want to use this picture right here, so I'm going to long hold it, let go, add sticker. Then once I see it go on there, then I'm going to go back to Freeform, and then I'm going to push this button right here again. This time click on Stickers and click the sticker I want to use. You can place it where you want to so it looks real, and then grow it and shrink it depending on where you want it in your picture. I'm going to shrink it to right here, and then you're going to screenshot it, crop it, and then you'll have it as if it happened in real life. If you didn't use the sticker way and you just added the background picture, made it big, and then added your other photo that you wanted to use, you would have two different backgrounds. If you wanted two different backgrounds, this would be the way to do it. But if you wanted it to look more realistic and the same, then you would do it the sticker way.